Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download Google Workspace on your Mac. Now this tutorial is filmed on a Windows computer, but the explanation is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Now the answer is you can download Google Apps on your Mac by going to the App Store, right? But if you want to use the Google Workspace, well, you can directly download it because it's cloud-based. So if you go to Google Workspace, Mac for example, you will see here that can Google Workspace work on Mac? It works seamlessly on macOS without requiring installations. Why? Because it's entirely cloud-based. Now, as you can see here, Google Workspace is entirely cloud-based, so you don't need to download it in order to use it. But you can, for example, download Google Sheets, for example. You can just write Google Sheets Mac in the Google search bar, and here you will see Google Sheets in the App Store. Or you can also, for example, Google Meet Mac. And here you will also see the Google Meet app on the App Store. And that's it basically. It's really easy and intuitive. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.